Welcome to this video where I summarize the key highlights from playlist B1. Let's get started! Unlock the ease of editing dimensions with just a double click or by utilizing the Properties docking window. Discover how to make extended component dimensions visible permanently. Customize your dimension layout effortlessly with a plethora of setting options available via the Properties or ribbon groups. Design your dimensions within view frames and across the entire sheet to perfection. Position dimensions using their IDs, enable dimension chain descriptions, and ensure perfect alignment. Additionally, you can add or modify dimension prefixes to suit your individual needs. Discover representation options for your dimensions, including the additional dimension display options and background settings to make individual dimensions stand out. Finally, learn how to create your own dynamic dimensions. Join us as we navigate through these powerful features, empowering you to enhance your design efficiency and precision. Let's elevate your skills to the next level.